What's going on, everybody? Um, Today I'm going to put the parts on my 2020 Indian Challenger, and this one's going to be the front crash bars. So I would imagine they kind of go up here and down in here or somewhere. But all right, we are going to unpackage them. There they are. All right, I'll move you around and get you set up to actually see what I'm doing, potentially. All right, so we got to take a bolt off here, and then the other one just mounts in this bottom hole here. So we'll take this top bolt out. Take this top bolt out. Oh no, it broke loose. Okay. Hopefully that broke loose. See if they got the torque specs on this at all. 45 foot-pounds. When we put that back together, it's 45 foot-pounds. Oop. Do I have the wrong one? Had the wrong one. Had the incorrect one. So, and the longer tab or the bar end goes this way. So we just kind of get them in there. Oop, or not. Well, that's going to be fun. It'll be just fine. It'll be fine. The top one, and then the bottom one. Hopefully. Let's see if the holes line up. I'm sure they do, but they do. I just gotta get it started. Just like so. Don't use electric tools when you're starting stuff out, or good possibility you'll strip or cross thread things. And this one I'm not going to use power tools at all. Actually. All right, I'll get my torque wrench. 45. actually has a 45 spot on it. One more round. Or 45 foot-pounds. I'll try to put a link in the description to some of these tools that I've got, because I got them off Amazon or whatever. But all right, left side's on. We'll move to the right side. Well, it doesn't look like I got the lower part on the other side, so we'll try to do better here. So, all right. Get that upper bolt loose, hopefully easily enough. Yep. I think this is 15 millimeter socket. Yeah, it's good for both bolts. These are really easy to install. Anybody can do this, by the way. Here's the top one, oops, and the bottom one goes here. Don't rush this bottom one. Just get it to where it works and run it in. It ain't move you. Once you get it started, pretty, 5 or 6 threads or whatever, you just run her in. Just hand tightening them, before I get the torque on it. .45 foot-pounds. Anyway, that's it. They're done. So, there you go. So, yeah, that was it. I mean, literally took 10, 15 minutes to do it. It took longer to set the camera stuff up probably than to actually put the bars on. So, anyway, I'll walk you around and take a picture of the front and post it up on my Instagram and maybe throw it up on this video. But it looks a lot better than, I can put a before and after picture of it up there too, but it looks a lot better, I think, with them on. Definitely think it looks better. My garage is a mess. Anyway, that'll be it for this video. Please, if any of my videos you've liked and helped like, subscribe, do all the stuff you're supposed to do, and I appreciate it.